Hello mga kamaters sa mga math enthusiasts and resilient students ng Kapalaran Elementary School na buong sub-office of Taytay at ng DepEd Rizal. Hello sa ating lahat at sa lahat ng mga parents na patuloy na sumusuporta sa ating mga mag-aaral ngayong panahon na to. Welcome again sa ating panibagong YouTube tutorial videos in Mathematics 6. Our lesson for today is about finding the nth term. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe sa aking channel para updated kayo sa mga video lessons ko in learning mathematics. To begin, let us start with the definition of sequence. Sequence, it is a set of terms, maybe numbers, letters, figures, objects, or symbols arranged in definite order by the application of definite rules. So meaning, just like this one, 3, 5, 7, so meron tayong rule, definite rule na sinusunod. A, C, F, and J, 1, 4, 9, 16, and 25. So we are going to look for that rule. Here are some examples of number sequences. First one is arithmetic sequence wherein same number added each time. So we add simply 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. And 20 plus 5 is 25. And so on. We just continue to add 5 to the previous number. Second is geometric sequences. Multiply by the same number each time. We just simply multiply 2 by 2. The answer is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. The answer is 8. Then 8 times 2, the answer is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. And so we just simply multiply it by 2. Another is odd numbers. What are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. Another are the even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. There are also prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, and so on. And also we have composite numbers. 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20, and so on. We also have square numbers na kapag nag-drawing tayo na isang dot followed by add the 3 dot to make a 4 dots or square. So 1, 4, 9, 16, and 25. We have also triangular numbers. And we have the Fibonacci numbers. In Fibonacci, the number sequence is named after the Italian mathematician Leonardo Fibonacci. Each number is the sum of the two numbers before it. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 8 is 21. So that is Fibonacci numbers. Let us focus with arithmetic sequences. Arithmetic sequences or arithmetic progressions are ordered sets of numbers that have a common difference between each consecutive term. If we add or subtract the same number each time to make the sequence, it is an arithmetic sequence. Let us take a look on this example. 4, 7, 10, 13, and 16. What happened to the first number? Second, third, and fourth. So we just simply add 3. 4 plus 7 is 3. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 plus 3 is 16. Or we just simply subtract 3 kapag naman tayo nag-start from the right. 16 minus 3 is 13. 13 minus 3 is 10. And 10 minus 3 is 7. So the common difference is 3. And another, in example, 10 becomes 8, becomes 6 and 4, we just simply subtract 2. 10 minus 2, 8. 8 minus 2, 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. So, 6 minus 4 is 2. So, yun ang ating sequence dito. Let us go with finding the nth term in arithmetic sequence. So we have here the sequence 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. We are looking for the 20th term, the nth term. 20th term. What is the 20th term in this arithmetic sequence? To solve for this, we have to follow this formula. The formula for the nth term is a sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d or common difference. So a sub n natin, yung nth term natin, yung a sub 1, that is the first term, and d is the common difference. So here, what is our a sub 1? What is our first term? So our first term is 2. Okay. Next, what is our n? We are looking for the nth term. We are looking for the 20th term. So n natin is 20. What is the common difference? Let us see what is the common difference. 17 minus something is 14, it becomes 11, it becomes 8, it becomes 5, and it becomes 2. So what is our common difference? Okay, so our common difference is 3. And we are looking for a sub 20. So let us translate using the formula a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times the difference. So ang a sub 1 natin ay 2. N natin is 20 minus 1 times the difference 3. So, unahin natin inside the parentheses, 20 minus 1. So, that is 19. So, then, ang susunod natin, 19 times 3. So, 19 times 3, the answer is 57. Then, 57 plus 2, the answer is 59. So, our 20th term in this arithmetic sequence is 59. Let us try this. Finding the nth term in arithmetic sequence 3, 9, 15, 21, 27, and 33. What is the 50th term in the arithmetic sequence? Again, we are going to follow the formula a sub 1 is equal a sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. What is our a sub 1? Our first term? Yes, our first term is 3. And what is our n? We are looking for the 50th term. So our n is 50. And the common difference, let us take a look. What is our common difference? 33 becomes 27. 27 becomes 21. 21 becomes 15 and becomes 9 and becomes 3. So our common difference is, yes, 6. So we are looking for a sub 50. So let us translate in our formula. A sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. A sub 1 is 3. 50 is the n minus 1 times the common difference 6. So unahin natin yung inside parenthesis. 50 minus 1, the answer is 49. Then next is 49 times 6. 49 times 6, the answer is 294. And 294 plus 3 is 297. So our 50th term in this arithmetic sequence is 297. How about geometric sequences? Geometric sequences are sequence of numbers that follow a pattern where the next term is found by multiplying by a constant called the common ratio. So kung kanina ay common difference, today is common ratio. Just like this one, yung 3, 6, 12, 24. As you can see, ano kayang nangyari dyan? So, yung 3 multiplied by 2 becomes 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. Then 24 times 2 to get the next number, which is 48. And 48 times 2 para makuha yung susunod na answer, which is 96. How about this one? 5 becomes 25. So what do we do? That is 5 times 5. It's 25. And 25 times 5 becomes 125. And 125 times 5 to get the fourth number. The answer times 5 again to get the fourth number. So, the same, minumultiply lang natin sa isang constant na tinatawag nating common ratio. Let us find the nth term in this geometric sequence. What is the 8th term in geometric sequence 4, 8, 16, and 32? So to get the nth term, we have to follow this formula. A sub n is equals to A sub 1 times ratio raised to n minus 1, wherein A sub 1 is 4. This is our first term. Then, n natin, that is the 8th term. That is our n. And our common ratio, what do you think is our common ratio? 4, it becomes 8, 8 becomes 16, 16 becomes 32. Yes, it was multiplied by 2, so our ratio is 2. And we are looking for A sub 8. So to get the answer, let us translate it into this formula. A sub n is equals to A sub 1 times radius raised to n minus 1, wherein A sub 8 is equals to, yung A1 natin ay 4, ang ratio natin is 2, and n natin ay 8. So 8 minus 1. Ito una natin isosolve. 8 minus 1, the answer is 7. Then after that, yung 7, this will be our exponent. So meaning, we are going to multiply 2 7 times. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So the answer is 128. Then we are going to multiply 128 times 4. So our A sub 8 or our 8th term is 512. Okay, so that is the formula. Don't forget, ha? A sub n is equals to A sub 1 times ratio raised to n minus 1. Let us try this. What is the 10th term in the geometric sequence 3, 9, 27, and 81? What is the 10th term? So we are looking for the A sub 1. What is our A sub 1 here? So again, that is 3. Okay, see, 3 ang ating first term. What is our n? We are looking for the 10th term. So ang n natin ay 10. And ang ating ratio, common ratio, let us see, 3 becomes 9, 9 becomes 27, 27 becomes 81, so that was multiplied by 3. Okay, so ang ratio natin ay 3 and we are looking for A sub 10. Okay, so let us put in the formula, A sub n is equals to A sub 1. Common ratio raised to n minus 1. Ang ating A sub 1 ay 3. Ang ating common ratio ay 3 din. At ang n natin ay 10. So 10 minus 1. This is our first operation. 10 minus 1 is 9. And that 9 will become our exponent. So meaning, itong ating common ratio na 3 to be multiplied 9 times. So 3 times 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 3. That will give you the answer of 19,683 to be multiplied by 4. And the answer is 78,732. So this will be the 10th term in this series or in this geometric sequence. Application time. So let us apply what we have learned in arithmetic sequence. In a movie theater, there are 12 chairs in the first row, 17 in the second row, and 22 on the third row. How many chairs are in the 20th row? So our sequence is 12, followed by 17, followed by 22, and so on. So we are looking for the 20th term. So our formula, arithmetic sequence tayo, a sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. Wherein, ang ating first term ay, what is our first term? Yes, 12. And what is our n? What we are looking for? What nth term? We are looking for the 20th row. So ang n natin is 20. And let us see what is the common difference. 22 becomes 17. 17 becomes 12. So our common difference is 5. Ayan, na-minus lamang natin sila sa 5 or nag-add tayo ng 5. So at our D is 5. So we are looking for a sub 20. Okay. So let us translate. A sub n will become a sub 20 is equals to our first term, 12, plus 20, yung ating n, minus 1 times 5. So unahin uli natin, 20 minus 1, that is 19. And that 19 to be multiplied by 5, yung common difference natin, 19 times 5. 19 times 5 is 95. And 95 plus 12, the answer is 107. So, the 20th row consists of 107 chairs. Okay. Good job mga kamatters. 107 chairs. And how well do you understand the lesson? I hope you will type 4 in our comment section. I hope naintindihan natin ang ating lesson about arithmetic sequence and geometric sequence, especially finding the nth term. And that's all for today mga kamatters, ang mga math enthusiasts and resilient students. Thanks for watching and see you again for our next vlog in mathematics. Goodbye everyone and keep safe. Bye-bye!